Alright folks, today we are talking about the great escape, uninstalling the DataStage SAS plugin. First, a quick intro to what this plugin does. Then why some brave souls might decide to bid it farewell. Of course, we can't rush in without a game plan, so a checklist is essential. And before you press that uninstall button, let's back up the important stuff. Because surprises are fun at birthdays, not in IT. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Before you start the uninstallation process, a little prep goes a long way. First, back up critical data. Trust me, losing files will lead to a world of regret. Next, make sure there are no active connections. Shutting down things gracefully is the way to go. Then we'll tackle the Windows Control Panel method. And for those who like a bit of flair, the SAS Deployment Manager method is here to save the day. If you're feeling adventurous, the Command Line method is for you. First, channel your inner tech guru and open Command Prompt as administrator. Then fire off those magical uninstallation commands like a wizard casting spells. But don't just trust the process, verify that the plugin is actually gone. And to seal the deal, a system restart ensures everything is squeaky clean. So you think you're done. Not quite. Some sneaky leftover files might still be lurking. A good registry cleanup is essential. Think of it as tidying up after a party. If you want extra precision, use cleanup tools for a thorough wipe. And for that perfect finishing touch, optimize your system to keep things running smoothly. Alright folks, first things first, let's make sure our uninstallation actually worked. We don't want any lingering bits causing troubles. Check the plugin list. If it's gone, we're off to a great start. Next, observe system performance. If it's running smoothly, that's a good sign. Don't forget to check dependencies. No loose strings should be left behind. Finally, a little spring cleaning never hurt. Run a system cleanup to remove any hidden remnants. We all know the drill, uninstall something and suddenly the system throws a tantrum. First, check error messages and logs. They often hold clues to the mystery. If in doubt, a good old system restart might just work wonders. Classic IT magic. Keep an eye on compatibility. Did a recent update mess things up? And remember, the internet is full of wise folks. Community forums can be your best friend for solving stubborn issues. Sometimes uninstallation isn't the solution, reinstallation is. If you need the DataStage SAS plugin back, make sure you get the latest version from a trusted source. No shady downloads, please. Follow the installation steps like your job depends on it, because sometimes it does. Once installed, test it out. Does it work as expected? Lastly, check dependencies. A missing component can ruin the fun faster than bad Wi-Fi. Maybe it's time for a change. Why stick to the old when alternatives might do a better job? Explore similar plugins with upgraded features. Sometimes built-in tools work surprisingly well. Who knew, right? Third-party solutions could also be a game changer. But here's the golden rule: compatibility matters. Jumping to a new plugin without checking compatibility is like buying shoes 2 sizes too small, painful and pointless. Think of plugin management like housekeeping. You gotta stay on top of things. Periodically review your installed plugins. Do you really need them all? Keep them updated because outdated plugins can be security nightmares. If you haven't used a plugin in ages, toss it out. Hoarding is not a virtue here. And every time you make changes, monitor system performance. The goal is a smooth-running system, not a chaotic mess. Alright, we've covered a lot. Whether uninstalling, troubleshooting, reinstalling, or replacing, smooth transitions matter. Keep up with updates and better alternatives to avoid falling behind. Be proactive when troubleshooting. Issues are easier to fix before they spiral out of control. And above all, maintain system health with good plugin practices. Think of it like personal hygiene. You wouldn't skip a shower for a month, would you? The same logic. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.